Happy New Year to you. All right. So we'll be starting now with our first masterclass on 2025 in interesting year. 20 plus 25 is 45 and 45 square is 2025. You can check it out. And then also if you square, because it's such a good number, 2025, because 2 plus 2 plus 5 is 9, and 9 is an astonishing number. And if you do 0 square plus 1 square plus 2 square plus blah, 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 plus 9 square, you will get 2025. No, actually 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 whole square is equal to 2025. And also the third one is 0 cube plus 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube plus 5 cube plus 6 cube plus 7 cube plus 8 cube plus 9 cube is equal to 2025. So welcome to 2025 and Happy New Year to you all.
You too, Peter.
Fantastic, brilliant. So today we will be having the opportunity to listen more to Kerry, and Kerry would be actually giving us a surprise today. And then we'll be also listening to the merits of Marty. So I'll be talking less. I'll be learning from all of you, and we'll be all listening to Kerry and Marty and all of you. Here we go. So I hope you can see my screen and you can hear me out. The first one is General Financial Advice Warning. NP Financial Pty Limited advises all service recipients of the following. This information is provided only on general financial product advice basis. This is only educational in nature. Trading securities, derivatives, CFDs, foreign exchange contracts can be risky and is not suitable for all. I'll give you 10 more seconds to go through it and let me know if you are done when you are done.
All done.
Agree the same, sir.
Fantastic, brilliant. So today I'll be talking for 35 minutes. Marty will be talking for 25 minutes, for 30 minutes, and we'll be listening to Kerry, the brilliance of Kerry, for 1 hour. And we have started this year a little bit different. We have our interview here and the basics of trading, followed by trend line trading. So if you go to our client portal and go to trading videos, so we have added we have 100 hours of videos, as you can see. 50 of them was there. Good afternoon, V8, Happy New Year to you. And we have added just the new ones, 1, 2, 3. I don't know why this is repeated, but they are repeated, whatever it is. And we have a trend line trading video which can be of help. So straight away I'll go to the questions which I have received from Tyron, and then Vijayta. Tyron says, hello support, please find my attached questions, and his questions are in front of you. Good afternoon, Linda. Happy New Year to you. We have just started. I'm first taking the questions of Tyron. 2-day and daily trading on the Asian market pre 10 a.m. Given that this is the question from Tyron, given that the direction of the trade, or long or short, is determined by the histogram and supported by trend detector, correct? Is anyone else having crackle from my mic? I don't believe so. I think Kim is having. Ben says no. Yeah, Kim, you need to either change the speaker or you can use the mic headphone, I believe. So the first question is, thank you, Kerry, thank you, Ben. First question is, given that the direction of the trade is determined by the histogram and supported by trend detector, price line, 2-day, 3-day, weekly, and monthly charts, to produce a minimum total of score, which is correct, can you weight these 6 support charts in order of importance? Extremely good question. That day, for a change, I was listening to my own voice in one of our previous master class, and I was stunned. After 20 years also, I have not changed much. I speak like a train. My goodness, I was speaking so fast. I was laughing at me. What am I doing? But if I am going fast, please stop me. I am having that bad habit. But anyway, so to answer this question, the first one would be, there is not much of importance ABCD like that, but I believe I would not prefer to go against the line chart. I would not prefer to go against the line chart. Now that you have seen the question, you have gone through the website, general advice. So answer that question of Tyram. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 charts we have, and the hidden one is for the USD JPY. That is the same as the front one, which is for the other seven currency pairs. So I would say I would not prefer to go against this chart. So this can be my number one. Apart from that, this is number one, and probably price line. This fellow, this fellow can be number two. Those of you who are not introduced to our Forex trading, like Akshay has done only the intraday. He has started with intraday. And Akshay, would you like to share your success to start with, how you are going on in intraday for 1 minute?
Yeah, sure. Yeah, I'm actually did only like 2 days of trading, to be honest, because I was away, and the both of days were very successful. I'm only doing the ASX. I'm not doing too many trades, but only like 1 trade a day, and both of the days were very successful. I sent you a message as well. But I'm looking at the daily chart, the first and your histogram and the line chart and the daily. So, and then I make sure if it is coming from the pivot points or the either the resistance or support levels. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. But last 2 days were very successful for me. Thank you, Partha.
Fantastic, brilliant. So Akshay was talking about the intraday, what he has gone through, and intraday, as you know, we trade on a 15 minutes chart. Those of you who are time rich can actually trade on the 15 minutes chart. And Akshay has started because he's having some time now, and he got success both in ASX, but with our intraday, you can actually trade all of them, actually, including AUD, USD JPY, and other and Ethereum, and all those things which you want to do. Yeah, so that was Akshay. Thank you very much, Akshay. Really appreciate. And I was talking about, I was trying to do the if you can mute your mic, if those of you who are not speaking, otherwise I can hear my own voice, which can be a little bit annoying. But anyway, so I was talking about answering Tyron's question. So to answer Tyron's question, no, there is not such any priority. But first thing which I'll be looking for is the line chart, and the second thing which I'll be looking for is the price line as well as the trend detector. Then his second question is, can the 2-day and daily trading strategy be used to trade on nylon, and if so, at what time? Not at all. Not at all. No. Because nylon comes under within a day. So within a day, the 2-day and daily bar is running. So it has not closed. So if it has not closed, nylon means New York, NY means New York, LON means London. That means Europe and America are trading, both put together, our 6 o'clock time onwards to 3 a.m. 3 a.m. So no, because the daily and 2-day, we need to wait for the bars to close. We need to wait for the bars to close. That happens that happens next day, Melbourne time, 11 o'clock now, on summer. Otherwise winter it is 9 o'clock. You can trade nylon. You can trade nylon based on you can trade nylon based on our 12-hour strategy. Definitely you can trade 12-hour strategy, which probably Tyron has not been exposed to, but others are. You can go to 12. That is why I think the question is coming to his mind, what do I do on the nylon? So in the nylon, we have that to answer that question, Tyron. 14 years back, we have broken the daily. We have broken the daily into two. One for the Australasian session, lasting till the nylon, and the other one is for the nylon session. So this one 23 for the Australasian session, and this 11 is for the nylon session. So when you are trained in our 12-hour strategy, you can actually utilize that nylon session. I hope I have answered that question. Now I'll go to the next question of Tyron, and he is asking, this is his last question. Now that we have started a new year, are we supposed to draw all support and resistance line, all 8 currencies? Brilliant question, fantastic questions. Yes, you need to do that for only the swing high and the swing low, for only the swing high and the swing low on the yearly, because the year has ended, on the quarterly because the quarter has ended, and on the monthly because the month has ended. So for that, what you need to do is you need to have a naked chart or a bare chart like this in front of you, and you need to start with the daily monthly, yearly. So we'll start with yearly, and you'll see Aussie dollar, there is no swing low, neither there is swing high, so you don't do anything. Then you go to euro, and then see whether it is a swing low or a swing high, nothing there. So forget about it, and then go to the sterling, and this way you have to do the 8 currency pairs on the don't draw this line. This is not a swing high on the USD, GBP USD sterling, because this bar is running, so there is nothing. This way you can you will do the 8 currency pairs for the yearly. It will take 5 minutes, and then you go to the quarterly, and then see whether it is a now that this quarter has ended on December, we have a swing high here. So you copy this quarterly line and then paste it here. So we got a new resistance for sterling in the form of 134.34, because this bar has closed. So this way you identify the swing high and the swing low on the monthly and on the yearly and on the quarterly, and there is nothing here. And the last major one is the USD Of course, you have to do on the minor ones, not minor, actually the crossed ones, the triangulated ones, like the Euro Aussie, Euro CAD, Sterling Aussie, and Sterling Swiss. Don't draw this one because this is running. I hope I have answered your question. Have I, Tyron?
Yes, thank you, Pratha. That's very clear. Thank you.
Very good. So I'll quickly go to my next question, which is coming from Vijeta. And Vijeta's questions are in front of you. Happy New Year. Could you please bar by bar analysis some thoughts of the new year from the book? Kim has written something. All right. So bar by bar analysis on daily time frame and high quality trades on the Forex. For any currency pairs in the last for any currency pairs. Okay, I'll show you the Aussie dollar. Bar by analysis on daily time frame to take high probability trades on share market. That is the eight share markets. Probability trade on for daily. So okay, I'll show you Aussie dollar, and then I'll show you the share market. So let's go to the Aussie dollar in front of us. Aussie dollar, you can see, you can actually take advantage of what Ben has contributed to a big extent, and also Viet. Viet has also contributed to a great extent in our capture of when we discussed about instruction-based discussion and then go to advanced. I think out of the 85 pages we have here in Forex Advanced Module 1, Unit 1, Ben has contributed 23 pages from his brilliant work. Ben has done a tremendous job here, and also Andrew, who is missing today. Andrew Stapleton is missing. Andrew Linnett is missing. All of them are enjoying. Anyway, so this fellow is having 85 pages, and Ben has contributed 22 pages. Similarly, for the cryptocurrency, Viet has contributed a lot. All of you are doing well, but the best work which have been captured by us in the form of high probability trade setups, identification, Ben, Andrew, V8. I must take their name. All of you are contributing tremendously, like Marty and Kerry, unbelievably. So what I'm talking about, this one is the Bain's contribution of hidden convergence. Hidden convergence is tremendous for high probability trade setup in a trending market. This market is trending, my dear friend, from here. October. From October, this fellow is trending till now. October, November, December, 3 months. 3 months trending. And whenever it is in front, whenever we are stuck at the end with a probably yearly support, then high probability trade setups can be definitely this one. And can be definitely this one, because this is a hidden convergence. Those of you who are doing the hidden convergence now on the divergence chapter. So what is the hidden convergence on the bearish? Price is making lower high, but the divergence line is making upper higher high. So this is a hidden convergence. We'll enter here. And this is another back-to-back hidden convergence. Price is making lower swing high, but this fellow is making a higher swing high. So we can enter here. Brilliant entry here. Brilliant entry there. High probability trade setup. This is also a hook entry. 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 Hook entries are all also good, very good, extremely good. Hook entry on the histogram are high probability trade setups. Hook entry on the on this fellow trend detector is very good. And if you are not getting, this is a hook entry. This is a hook entry, which is corresponding, which is coinciding with the hidden convergence, a slingshot. We call it slingshot convergence because price goes in the same direction. That is why we do not call it divergence. We call it convergence. So slingshot convergence here, slingshot convergence there. Very high probability trade setup, very high probability trade setup, very high probability trade setups. And this fellow, Aussie, this fellow is really doing good. Because it has been contributing from the month of October. If you go to our Forex trading, in the month of October, as well as in, I don't know why these pictures are not coming thanks to Telstra, but it will come if I click on here. If I come here, I believe, yeah, this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 opportunities Aussie has given us to short. This is a hook entry. This is a hook entry, and this is also a slingshot. A slingshot. That is what I'm trying to tell you. That hook entries and slingshot and slingshot convergence are extremely high probability trade setups. Of course, all of our setups are extremely good. Whether it is histogram or trend detector or anything, but I believe I have showed you this one from the perspective of high probability trade setups in the form of slingshot, in the form of hook entry. If you allow me, I'll write our proprietary hook entry here. So hook shot there. Hook shot means red, so we'll make it red. Those of you who are not exposed to this hook entry, don't worry. Whenever you are doing this Forex trading session, we'll be doing the hook entry in a big way. And all of these are brilliant hook entries. Whenever you're taking this hook entry, whenever you are taking, don't take this one because there is a reward to risk problem. Whenever you're taking this hook entry, improvise your stop to this point. So that you survive here. If you are not taking this hook entry because there is a support here, and you also not taking this hook entry because there is a support there, support entry we generally do not, the bar which is touching the support, we generally do not take that for short entry. But the bar which is not touching but still a hook, not touching the support but still a hook, we'll take that one. I hope you are understanding the value addition which I'm trying to do. So you improvise on the hook. Don't take this one. Don't take this one. You take this one. Again, if this fellow is not, if it is touching, don't take that one. Take this one. Take this one. Supposing if and only if the hook criteria of opposite histogram is still there. And this is a plain simple. And so for Forex, You go for hook entries, you go for hidden convergence, and 2TP or LCTP, 2TP or LCTP. LCTPs are extremely good here. This is a brilliant LCTP, continuation, fantastic LCTP continuation, fantastic LCTP start. So this is the start, this is the continuation. Those of you who are not knowledgeable about this, don't worry. Please enroll for our Forex trading, and then you will come to know. Then she is asking about share trading. I'll go to the share trading session. Do you have any questions, Vijeta, before I go to shares? Did I answer your question on the Forex? Vijeta has to write. Thank you, Vijeta says thank you, sir. That's fantastic. So I'll go to the yes, all answered. That is very good. So I'll go to the share trading module here, and then show you the high probability trade setups in my next 5 or 7 minutes of time allotted to me. All right. So this is the share trading. We'll start with Alphabet. Someone was asking in my last interaction with him or her, I forgot, whether the month of December, is bad or good. Whether the month of December is bad or good for any kind of trading. So I said you can actually answer your own question if you spend 5 minutes on the chart. If you spend 5 minutes on the chart, you will immediately come to know whether the month of December for last 12 years or 20 years, whatever time frame you prefer to, you ask yourself and go to the month of December and ask yourself, is it a bad month? Not at all. Good month. This is December. Is it a bad month? Not at all. No, is it a bad month? December? Not at all. So 3 out of 3 I can show you good month. So that is why even people say for the month, in the month of May, sell everything and run away. So that is also bogus, because if you go to the May, every May, no selling here on the month of May 2024, and if you go to May 2024, no selling here, and if you go to month of May, there is no selling here. So those are a nonsense saying, I believe, and the only way to take that tip, we do not take that any tip, but just to listen, but don't trust. Just go and check in your chart. It will take 1 minute to check, and you'll be seeing what to do on the month of May, what to do in the month of December. Having said that, this is another last few days of December was quite probably not that volatile from 25th to 31st, as you can see, but before that it was fantastic. And our signal came here on the 3rd of December, which is very good. It came here on the 26th of November, 3rd of December, and even 10th of December. These 3 signals are very good, fantastic, very nice. And then and probably this one can be a hidden convergence here, I believe so, or head and shoulder. I don't think head and shoulder, because the neckline is not broken, but I believe it is hidden convergence, and that is Alphabet. So we saw 3 high probability trade setups here. 3 high probability trade setups here, because if you remember our saying that in an uptrend, and this is the flag or pin and whatever, sorry, flag or rectangle, whatever you say. I would say flag. This is definitely not a rectangle, flag. So if you see in an uptrend from here to here after the break of the flag, in an uptrend, if it is touching the opposite Bollinger Band for the first time, we are getting an opportunity to go long. Go for it. This is a very, very, very high probability trade setups. This is extremely high probability trade setups. And look at our proprietary shadow. Our shadow actually came here right on the day 1, and then the day 5th, and then the day, this one, on the 10th, which was fantastic. Then I'll go to Amazon. I have to cover all these 3 on Vijeta's question. If you are having any question, please type in or speak. And then this was a fantastic setup here, wonderful setup. Who can tell me why have we marked this as a fantastic setup on the volume? Anyone? Please unmute yourself and talk.
Is it the decreasing volume?
Yeah, complete the sentence.
Is it? Yeah, it's just the decreasing volume is what I'm looking at.
Yeah, you're 50% right. I think you have to. We all have to go. Anyone?
All sellers out because of the high volume on the red candle.
Yeah, that is correct. But I'm asking on this volume. What you said is correct. But what is this? So those of us who have forgotten, thanks to New Year, I request you to please revisit your volume section in the share trading module, in the intraday module, and in the cryptocurrency module. Everywhere it is there. We say it is no supply day in which the volume is less than the 2 days. The previous 2 days volume is less than the previous 2 days, and with a small bar. So this is a no selling day. No selling pressure. No selling pressure means in a blue, sorry, I'm colorblind, in a green in a green shadow. If we see no selling day, this is the best high probability trade setups. If you have forgotten, please go and visit modules and units, and you are please go to modules and units of our share trading or our other in Forex or intraday or cryptocurrency. Please go there and read the volume section, and you'll be amazed to see how our volume proprietary volume knowledge of no supply day or no demand day can give us a tremendous high probability trade setup. Same thing here, repeated here. Volume less than the previous 2 days, less than the previous 2 days. There is no relationship here. There should not be any relationship between these two bars, but the third bar, the last bar, has to be lower than the previous 2 bar in a green shadow. This is also this is no selling. So there's a little bit of retracement here, and then boom, you go high probability trade setups followed by followed by a normal setup, high probability trade setups followed by a normal setup, followed by a what did I do? Followed by a normal setup. So high probability, normal. Very good, excellent, fantastic. Then I go to Apple. If you have any question and you have forgotten something, please let me know. I'm happy to remind you that high probability trade setups here, my dear friend, high probability trade setups there, my dear friend, followed by rule of 4 and our proprietary trading strategy. This fellow came one day ahead. This probability, this setup here came one day after this one volume, but this fellow came one day before. So this fellow came one day after, this fellow came one day before. So that will continuously happen. And in the base formation, like near the base of this green, our proprietary shadow, near the if the bars are appearing near the base of the horizontal, not on the diagonal side, of the shadow, on the horizontal side of the shadow, like this one. This is a horizontal side and this is a diagonal side. On the horizontal side of the shadow, if they are coming, they are very high probability trade setup, like 1 2 3. Not this one because it has already extended so much. And I'll go to cochlear. Anyone having any question? Am I answering your question, Vijayata? Cochlear is not that good because that is not much of near the base. The only near the base we had is the setup here on the blue candle. We buy, on the blue histogram we buy. This one on the volume we buy because this is near to our shadow. So if you measure this, there is no number. Don't ask me the number. This is different. This is 1%, 1.5%, and this is 2.24%. If the highest of the shadow is 7%, and if this is within 2%, that is good. So this is good, high probability trade setups. Then I'll go to CSL. On the last month we have a good one here, but it has already extended. I'll not take this one. but I'll take this one because of the rule of 4. I'll take this one because of the rule of 4. Hope you remember rule of 4 here. So touch close below above I taken out, and also I believe the rule of 4 is here. Rule of 4 is here. I don't know why the arrow is here, but yeah, turning point, and rule of 4 here. This is a rule of 4. Another one here, which is a high probability setup for CSL Meta. If you do not ask any question, I believe that you know the things which I'm talking about. Vijay has asked me to show high probability trade setup. This is a high probability trade setups on the volume, and this is a high probability trade setups on the histogram, because near to the line, and this is near to the volume. This is the volume, and I don't know what is this volume. Maybe the all sellers out. Maybe the all sellers out. Nvidia. After this, I request Marty. After my Tesla, I request Marty. Please, Marty, get ready, and then Marty will take us through till 4 o'clock, and then we'll listen to the magic of Kerry. Marty also creates magic, and then high probability setups. Nothing here, I would believe. I'd say this one is a rule of 4, but look at the structure, which is a range market, which is such a big range. I'll probably not take anything except maybe which is very near to the line, like maybe this one or this one. I believe this one is a better one. And then go to the Tesla. So many opportunities in so many asset classes. That is why we are big on all the asset classes. At NP Financials, we are big on all the asset classes, Forex, shares, commodity indices or indices, whatever English pronunciation you do, cryptocurrency, intraday. We are not letting any stone unturned. If Forex is doing good, we'll do that. If share market is doing good, we'll capture that. If commodity is doing good, we'll capture that. Viet is capturing this. Viet along with Tom. We are missing Tom. Many of us are doing cryptocurrencies, are doing good, and I'm learning so much from Viet on the cryptocurrencies. Is brilliant, and that is why we'll not let any stone unturned for any of the asset classes. Tesla, this is a brilliant one because it is appearing near the line. This is also a brilliant one near the line. This is a volume one. This is also a volume one, and I hope you understand what I said. Before I go, do you have any question for me?
Hello, Partha. Can I please see what you think is going to happen for the year ahead on gold? So maybe if you put some yearly support and resistance lines and trend lines and such like that.
Brilliant question. So let's go to the commodity. Thank you, Marty, for that question. Commodities, and let's see what the gold is saying. Gold. Ooh, look at this fellow. My goodness. So this fellow has gone plain and simple to answer Marty's question. The first thing I'll be doing, I'll be taking this drop. I'll be taking this drop of 859 point or 860 point from the all-time high of 2011 before this to the retracement. To the retracement there, which was probably 50% from the low of this to this 50% dot. So the 50% dot from here to here. So that is what I remember. This fellow I remember. I can never forget this because I took a trade at 50%, 1087. That is why I remember that the 50% was there, and my friends were happy that it exactly stopped at that near 50%. So this is the retracement of this impulsive move. Marty is a brilliant fellow who will take us to our impulsive and corrective. So this is impulsive from here to here, and then this is the corrective which stopped at 50%, and then we have a yearly piercing, maybe piercing. Yeah, this is not a harami, piercing. So to answer Marty's question, what I'll do, I'll copy this ruler and paste it here. So our first target is almost reached here at around if I go here and then do highlight value on the y-axis, 2786. 2786 is our first target, and this fellow is 2790. unbelievable, unbelievable, uncanny. This technical analysis is uncanny, unbelievable. If you can really do it nice, if you can really do it nice, it can be uncanny. I think I have a little bit of four pips of problem here. That is why market exactly went up to our level of 2786, and now it is coming back. But coming back to this fellow, to answer Marty's question, I have still not answered, because I always love the past, because we need future, we need future, we need future. That is why we need to know the past. We are trading future. That is why we need to know the past. So what we will be doing, same thing, repeat, same repetition I'll be doing. I'll be drawing from here to there a Fibonacci for any kind of retracement. I'm not planning 50% or 61%. I don't know what will happen. No one knows. If anyone tells that I know, just run away from him. 23% and then make it 38.6%. So I'll keep these 23 and 38 and rest the other one for the time being. I'll rest the other one for the time being. So I expect something to happen if and only if price is coming to 2378 in the long run for the year 2025. If it is coming to 2378 or if it is coming to 2117, we'll have a up run then again. Or if we have a rule of 4 here, that is price touching, closing above and high taken out, then I'll do simply this one, copy this line and paste it here. My dear friend, our target next is 3658. Did I answer your question, Marty?
Beautiful to see your point of view, Partha.
Fantastic, brilliant. So I'll hand it over to Marty. Marty, please take now, and then after that 4 o'clock, Katie. Thank you, Marty.
Okay, hello everyone. How are we?
Good.
Hey, Marty,
This
I'm
season?
good. How are you?
Good, thanks. Good. So that all happened pretty quick, Partha. Let's share the screen and see what I can do. Share now.